Are you looking to boost your kidney health? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore 9 must-eat foods that will help repair and revive your kidneys. So, let's dive right in. 1. Start with blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, they can help reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys from damage. 2. Next up, we have spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients that can help cleanse and detoxify your kidneys. 3. Moving on to salmon, a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats not only support heart health, but also help reduce inflammation and promote kidney repair. 4. Don't forget about garlic. Its natural compounds can enhance kidney function and improve overall renal health. 5. Are you a fan of citrus fruits? Good news! Lemons and oranges are packed with vitamin C, which supports optimal kidney function and helps prevent kidney stones. 6. Let's talk about sweet potatoes. These tasty tubers are a great source of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, all of which are essential for kidney health. 7. Now, let's add some onions to the mix. They possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce oxidative stress on your kidneys. 8. How about some bell peppers? These vibrant vegetables are rich in antioxidants, like vitamin C and vitamin A, which can promote kidney health and support repair. 9. Last but not least, we have turmeric, a spice with incredible anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce kidney inflammation and protect against damage. So there you have it, 9 amazing foods to revive and repair your kidneys naturally. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference in your kidney health. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips.